priority is our customer, who always has been the best brand ambassador for Honda and the first to buy a new Honda product whenever it is launched. The year 2013-14 was a very successful year for HCIL when we expanded the joy of owning a Honda, a customer survey in which Honda cars have been ranked high very consistently. Further, the number one rank in Sales Satisfaction Index 2 clearly shows that our customers are very happy with their showroom experience. We have taken several measures to give our customers a pleasant Honda experience. We recently expanded our production by starting assembly operations at our Tapukara, Rajasthan plant and have also put in place an aggressive network expansion plan. Our dealership network will go up by 35% in this financial year to 230 outlets,
which represents excellent fuel economy and commitment to the Honda brand. First, let me explain the element of show-off. The exterior design concept for this vehicle was dual solid motion. We created the fusion of a dynamic body and glassy cabin. Moreover, sportiness is expressed by the sharp spoiler and character line on the side. This is the final exterior sketch. This is 10-spoke alloy wheel design. Concept is tough and sporty. We imagine we have provided one class above versatility in Mobilio. The second row seat is 60-40 split bench seat with armrest. It has a slide option so that customer can adjust the space as per his requirement. It also has a recline adjustment for a complete comfort as per the customer need. Coming on to the third row flexibility. Third row is having a 50-50 split bench seat along with the recline adjustment. Third row seat can be double folded so that there is a generous luggage space for the customer. The interiors have been made keeping three things in focus: comfort, convenience and capacity. The door pockets have ample space to hold bottle holders and other utility items. Long armrests have been provided for comfort position. Sufficient capacity to accommodate different luggage items including two small size suitcases. This is the final interior sketch. This is the actual picture of Honda Mobilio. Now I would like to explain you about the exclusive RS grade in Mobilio. Especially for the RS grade, the exterior design is bolder than the base grade. New front and rear bumper and side sill has been applied for sporty image. Also, we have applied projector headlamps and LED position lamps for sporty and strong image. Moreover, the design of wheels with aggressiveness are exclusive for the RS grade. Hereby, the computer graphic images of Mobilio RS. Let me explain the second element, comfort. Mobilio wheelbase was extended by 247 mm in comparison with Amaze. As a result, we could expand its size of rear door for more comfortable getting in and getting out of a car for passengers of second and third row. For Mobilio, by applying flat-shaped fuel tank, we have secured spacious cabin with generous comfort for passengers at the second row and also sufficient space for an adult in the third row. For both second and third row seats, we secured more space than competing models for head clearance, knee clearance and also for leg room. For easy access to the third row, one-touch tumble seats were adopted for the second row. In addition, for both the second and third row seats, various features were adopted to increase the comfort. Now let me explain the last element, assurance. Mobilio has 1.5-liter petrol engine for sporty and powerful driving with many passengers in a car and bigger size of body compared to Amaze. The 1.5-liter petrol engine delivers a maximum output.